Sometimes life doesn't fall apart slowly. Sometimes it breaks all at once. Like the ground drops from under you in a single moment. And suddenly nothing feels stable anymore. The plans you held on to start slipping. The people you counted on go quiet. The opportunities you thought were yours disappear, and you're left standing in the middle of pieces you never thought you'd have to pick up. And in that moment, it's easy to think something went horribly wrong. It's easy to think God abandoned you, or forgot you, or turned away from you. But the truth is, much different. Sometimes God allows everything to fall apart because nothing else will get your attention. Nothing else will make you slow down long enough to hear Him. Most people move through life with noise constantly around them. People's opinions, pressure, expectations, plans, dreams, fears. And sometimes you get so busy trying to keep everything together that you don't even realize you're holding up a life that isn't meant for you. You're trying to fit into an old season that expired. You're forcing something that God has been trying to release from your hands. And as long as you can still make it work, you will keep trying to make it work. That's human nature. But when God wants to shift your life, He knows how to remove the things that distract you. He knows how to close the doors you're too afraid to close yourself. He knows how to bring silence to the voices that were steering you in the wrong direction. And He knows how to break the parts of your life that were quietly breaking you. Sometimes the falling apart is not punishment, it's rescue. Think about the moments when everything was going right. You were comfortable. You were confident. You felt like you had control. And when you feel in control, it's hard to listen. It's hard to slow down. It's hard to admit you need help. But when everything falls apart, suddenly, your hands are empty. Suddenly, you don't have the strength to pretend anymore. Suddenly, your heart becomes quiet enough to feel something deeper. And in that stillness, you finally give God space to speak. Sometimes God lets things collapse so He can rebuild you from the ground up, stronger, clearer, and more aligned with who you were meant to become. You might be holding on to something that looked good but wasn't right. You might be staying in a place where your heart wasn't growing. You might be chasing dreams that only led to emptiness, and you might be surrounding yourself with people who loved the version of you that played small. When God sees that, He doesn't leave you there, even if tearing it down hurts. He loves you too much to let you stay trapped in a life that isn't yours. There are seasons when God allows certain relationships to fade. You didn't push them away. You didn't do anything wrong. You simply outgrew them. And God saw the conversations behind your back. He saw the jealousy you never noticed. He saw the hidden motives. He saw the places where you were being drained and where you saw loyalty. God saw danger. So when God removes people, it's not rejection, it's protection. There are seasons when the opportunity you wanted so badly slips out of your hands. You thought it was your future, your breakthrough, your big moment. You prayed for it, planned for it, dreamed about it, and then suddenly, it ends, or it pauses, or it disappears, and you're left confused and angry, wondering why God would take something you worked so hard for. But what you didn't see were the heavy burdens attached to it, the stress, the burnout, the environment that would have pulled you away from your purpose. God saw what you could, and He closed the door before it closed on you. There are moments when finances fall apart, not because God wants you to struggle, but because He knows money can become a voice louder than His. Sometimes dependence becomes the only doorway to clarity. When you can't rely on a job, on people, or on your plans, you learn to rely on God. You learn to release control. You learn to trust something deeper than circumstances. And here's the truth: no one likes to admit. Most people don't grow when life is easy. Growth usually comes from loss, from confusion, from brokenness, from the moments when you don't know what to do next. Those are the moments that stretch you, shape you, deepen you. Those are the moments when you stop chasing approval and start chasing truth. Those are the moments when you stop settling and finally learn what you're worth. Those are the moments when you become stronger than you ever meant to be. God lets things fall apart when He's preparing you for something bigger than what you're holding on to. Sometimes, you think you're losing everything, but you're really losing what's blocking your path. You're losing the distractions. You're losing the people who weren't meant to stay. You're losing the fear that held you back. You're losing old versions of yourself that you've outgrown. And you're losing the life you built on survival instead of faith. Pain has a way of revealing who you really are. When everything is gone, what remains is what's real. Your character, your strength, your honesty, your heart. And that's where God begins His work. Not in the perfect moments, but in the broken ones. When everything falls apart, it forces you to sit with yourself. It forces you to confront the parts you neglected. It forces you to look inward instead of outward. And in that space, God reshapes you. He teaches you. He heals you. He whispers truths you never slowed down long enough to hear. You may not see it right now, but there will come a day when you look back and realize the pieces didn't scatter, they rearranged. What felt like the end was really the beginning of clarity. What felt like loss was the start of freedom. What felt like abandonment was actually God removing everything that stood between you and Him. Sometimes God breaks your plans when He's protecting your future. Sometimes He removes what you wanted so He can give you what you need. Sometimes He lets the storm hit because the calm you were living in was quietly killing you. And sometimes He lets everything fall apart so nothing can stand in the way of who you are becoming. So if your life feels heavy right now, if things are slipping through your fingers, if people are walking away, if doors keep closing, if nothing feels stable, don't assume God is punishing you. Don't assume He's ignoring you. Don't assume He's finished with you. This might be the moment when God is closest. This might be the moment when He's clearing the path. This might be the moment when He's rebuilding everything from the foundation up. This might be the moment when He's preparing you for something you're finally strong enough to carry. Sometimes the breaking is the blessing. Sometimes the falling apart is the falling into place. And sometimes the only way God can get you to hear Him is to quiet everything else.